Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. I made this delicious chicken pot pie. It's a super easy recipe. Let me show you how I made it. I have a quarter of an onion and one garlic clove. I'm going to put them in my chopper and chop them into small pieces. In a 13-inch cast iron skillet, nice and hot, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter and my onions and my garlic. I'm going to cook them up for 1 minute. In a bowl, I'm adding 10 ounces of cream of chicken soup and 1 cup of water. I'm going to give that a good stir. Now I'm going to add an envelope of chicken gravy. The package says 0.87 ounces. I'm going to add that and stir that in. Now I'm going to pour my cream of chicken mixture on top of my onions and garlic. Now I'm adding 3 cups of shredded chicken and a 12-ounce bag of frozen mixed vegetables. Look how easy this came together. And after mixing it all together, you can see how beautiful it looks. Now this is a pastry puff. You buy it in the frozen food section. You have to let it thaw out. It usually takes about 40 minutes to thaw out. But on the instructions, it does have a way to thaw it out quickly in the microwave. I'm going to cut it into strips, and then I'm going to cut it into short strips like this. Then you start forming it on top of your cream of chicken mixture. You can really make any kind of a pattern, but I liked making it like this, and you kind of make it zigzag and just put them any place. Just make sure you cover most of the area. It makes it look interesting. So in a little bowl, I have 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water. I'm going to mix that together and start brushing it on top of my pastry puff. Don't skip this part. It makes it look so beautiful when it cooks. It browns up beautifully. So I'm going to cook this in an oven, 400 degrees for 30 minutes. And look at this. It looks beautiful and it comes out so delicious. I added a little parsley on top for color, and I'm telling you, your family will love this. So let me get a plate and cut into it. I'm telling you, this came out so good, and it was really easy to make. So this is my chicken pot pie. Super, super easy. Easy chicken pot pie. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you next time.